jump right into the world of amphibious vehicles with the Z-Triton 2.0, a unique electric amphibious RV. This engineering masterpiece is not just a vehicle, it's a sustainable adventure on wheels and on water. The Z-Triton 2.0 is all about combining the thrill of the outdoors with the comfort of home. Imagine cycling through scenic landscapes, then seamlessly transitioning to a serene boat ride, all while having your accommodation right there with you. Available in 3 versions: full, trailer, and e-trailer. The Z-Triton caters to every adventurer's needs. It's not just a vehicle, it's a revolution in sustainable travel. The Z-Triton 2.0, a perfect blend of innovation and adventure. Switch gears to the Rinspeed Splash, a concept vehicle that transforms from a sports car to an amphibious vehicle. The Splash is truly a marvel of engineering, boasting a unique hydrofoil system that allows it to fly above water. But it doesn't stop there. Under the hood, you'll find a bivalent, turbocharged natural gas engine, offering a blend of environmental friendliness and high performance. The body, crafted from carbon composite, provides stability at a low weight, while the interior features maritime qualities for a truly nautical feel. And let's not forget the Continental Sport Contact tires, ensuring a smooth ride whether you're on land or sea. The Rinspeed Splash, a sports car that flies above water. Now imagine a Corvette that can sail. Meet the Egyptian Car Speedboat. This unique amphibious vehicle combines the sleek design of a luxury sports car with the functionality of a speedboat. The result, an eye-catching marvel that's the talk of the town, with its unmistakable Corvette-inspired shape. The Egyptian Car Speedboat is a crowd pleaser, turning heads whether it's cruising down the highway or gliding over the water. This vehicle is more than just a pretty face, it's a testament to inventive engineering. Perfect for those sunny days when you can't decide between a drive or a sail, why not do both? The Egyptian Car Speedboat, where style meets the sea. From the land to the sea, seamlessly with the Iguana Commuter. This amphibious marvel is not just a boat, but a high-tech, luxurious statement on the water. Imagine yourself gliding over the waves under a convertible hardtop that shields you from the elements while letting you bask in the sun's glow. Inside, a cozy cabin awaits, a sanctuary of comfort and sophistication that can accommodate 12 passengers. But the Iguana Commuter isn't just about luxury. It's also about performance, offering smooth navigation on various terrains. Whether you're crossing a sandy beach or cutting through the open water, the Iguana Commuter makes every journey feel like a first-class experience. The Iguana Commuter, making every journey luxurious and effortless. Get ready for the Aton Impulse Viking, an electric vehicle that's not afraid of a little water. This eco-warrior is a product of innovative design and sustainable production methods. The Viking is no ordinary vehicle. It's a beacon of green transportation, combining a daring spirit with an eco-conscious heart. Imagine cutting through the morning fog, cruising over rolling hills, and even wading through river currents, all without contributing a single puff of carbon into the atmosphere. The Aton Impulse Viking is not just about getting from point A to point B, it's about the journey, the adventure, and the commitment to a sustainable future. It's about reducing carbon emissions and promoting eco-friendly mobility solutions. The Aton Impulse Viking, a sustainable way to conquer any terrain. Rev up for the ProDrive Water Car Panther, a street-legal off-roading convertible powerboat. This isn't your average ride. It's a master of the road and ruler of the waves. On land, it's all about the thrill of off-roading, reaching speeds of 70 to 80 miles per hour. But the real magic happens when it hits water, transforming into a powerboat capable of hitting 44 miles per hour. With a hefty price tag of $198,000, it may seem steep, but it's the versatility that truly sells it. It's an off-roading 4-seater soft top that floats, making it an eccentric and unique vehicle. Despite its shortcomings as a car, its novelty and performance on water have made it a sought-after gem among car collectors. The ProDrive Water Car Panther, where off-roading meets boating. Turn the spotlight to the Ghe-O Rescue, an extreme off-road solution. This beast is definitely not your average vehicle. Its mission? To save lives, up to 11 persons at a time in fact. But it doesn't stop there. This off-road beast is also equipped to provide critical medical support when the situation demands it. Imagine having a mobile command and control center right where it's needed the most, even in the most demanding off-road environments. With the Ghe-O Rescue, you don't have to imagine. You can experience it. How about a quadski? Yes, you heard it right, the Gibbs Quadski. This remarkable machine is a high-speed amphibian like no other. With its prototype currently on display, the Quadski is a testament to innovation, showcasing the future of amphibious vehicles. But what's truly remarkable about Gibbs as a company is their unwavering commitment to safety. They advocate for comprehensive training and safety courses for all personal watercraft and all-terrain vehicle operators. They emphasize the importance of common sense, operating within limits, and wearing appropriate safety gear. Operating the quadski under the influence or allowing underage operation? Strongly discouraged. So the Gibbs Quadski isn't just about the thrill of the ride, it's about the thrill of the ride done safely. The Gibbs Quadski, where safety meets thrill. Check out this bad boy, the Sealander, a versatile mobile leisure vehicle. This innovative creation is not just a caravan on land, but it transforms into a motorboat on water, blurring the lines between terrestrial and aquatic adventures. Its lightweight design makes it easy to tow, removing any barriers between you and your next exciting journey. The Sealander boasts of a hull made from fiberglass reinforced plastic, ensuring stability and durability for your expeditions. But that's not all, folks. The Sealander offers panoramic windows, a folding roof, and a variety of customizable interior options for you to create the ideal space for your adventures. Whether you're a family of 6 or a solo explorer, this mobile leisure vehicle has got you covered. The Sealander offering a unique and convenient recreational experience on both land and water. We can't forget about the Sealegs 12RC, another head-turner in the large format amphibious class. This impressive craft offers unrivaled comfort, luxury, and freedom. It takes the amphibious experience to a new level with its payload capacity 3 times that of traditional offerings. Equipped with dual Yamaha 425 horsepower outboards, it ensures a smooth and powerful journey on both land and water. The advanced technology incorporated in the 12RC provides an effortless boating experience, making it a standout in its class. The Sealegs 12RC setting a new standard in amphibious craft innovation.